Start your mornings with rich aroma, creamy lattes, and cafe-style espresso without leaving your kitchen. Best espresso machine for home options can deliver barista-quality coffee, fast brewing, and smooth milk frothing, making every cup flavorful, convenient, and perfect for daily coffee lovers seeking professional results at home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine. The CASABREWS CM5418 Espresso Machine is a great choice for coffee lovers who want cafe-style drinks without spending too much money. Its compact stainless steel design looks modern and fits easily into small kitchens, apartments, or office spaces. The 20-bar Italian pump delivers strong pressure for rich espresso extraction, producing flavorful shots with a smooth crema on top. One of the standout features is the built-in pressure gauge, which helps users fine-tune each shot according to personal taste. Whether you enjoy cappuccinos, lattes, or macchiatos, this machine handles daily brewing with consistency. The steam wand performs surprisingly well for a machine in this range, creating creamy milk foam suitable for latte art and silky textured drinks. The removable 34-ounce water tank is convenient for making multiple cups without constant refilling, and cleanup is simple after use. Beginners will appreciate the easy controls, while experienced coffee drinkers can still experiment with espresso strength and milk texture. Overall, this espresso machine delivers impressive performance, attractive design, and excellent value for everyday home brewing. Number 2. Atatix Espresso Machine. The Atatix Espresso Machine offers an impressive balance of performance, customization, and convenience for home coffee enthusiasts. Designed with a professional 20-bar pressure system, this machine extracts deep coffee flavor while creating a rich golden crema that resembles drinks from a cafe. One of its strongest features is the NTC Precision Temperature Control System, which keeps brewing temperatures stable between 90 and 96 degrees Celsius for consistent espresso quality. The fast preheating time is especially useful during busy mornings when you want coffee quickly. Another highlight is the manual extraction option, allowing users to customize brewing time and coffee strength based on personal preference. Whether you enjoy bold espresso shots or lighter coffee flavors, this machine gives you flexibility. The steam wand produces dense, glossy milk foam that works well for cappuccinos, flat whites, and latte art. Its combination of ABS and stainless steel materials gives the machine a sturdy and premium feel, while the silicone suction cups keep it stable during operation. Overall, the Atatix Espresso Machine is an excellent option for beginners and coffee lovers seeking customizable espresso at home.
Number 3. Breville Barista 8070XL Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista 8070XL Espresso Machine is one of the most respected home espresso machines for people who want a true barista-style coffee experience. What makes this model special is its built-in conical burr grinder, which grinds fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter for maximum freshness and flavor. This all-in-one setup saves time while delivering cafe-quality espresso in under a minute. Breville's low-pressure pre-infusion technology gradually increases pressure during extraction, helping create balanced and smooth espresso shots with excellent flavor depth. The digital PID temperature control ensures accurate water temperature, improving consistency with every brew. Another standout feature is the powerful steam wand that allows users to create silky microfoam milk for cappuccinos and latte art. The machine feels premium and durable, making it suitable for long-term daily use. Although beginners may need some practice to master the settings, coffee enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to customize grind size, extraction, and milk texture. Overall, the Breville Barista Express is a high-performance espresso machine that delivers professional-level coffee quality from the comfort of home. Number 4. Electactic Espresso Machine. The Electactic espresso machine is designed for coffee lovers who want convenience, strong espresso flavor, and reliable grinding performance in one machine. A major advantage of this model is its upgraded grinder system, which helps prevent clogging and handles oily, dark roast beans more efficiently than many standard grinders. The wider chute and reinforced auger keep coffee grounds flowing smoothly, reducing mess and improving consistency during brewing. With its 15-bar pressure system, the machine produces rich espresso with balanced flavor and a creamy layer of crema. It performs especially well for making cappuccinos and lattes, thanks to the powerful steam wand that creates smooth and velvety milk foam. The controls are simple enough for beginners while still giving users enough flexibility to experiment with different coffee styles. Its sturdy construction and modern appearance make it suitable for both kitchens and office setups. The combination of grinding, brewing, and frothing in a single machine saves space and adds convenience for daily coffee routines. Overall, this espresso machine offers strong value for users wanting cafe-style drinks with minimal effort.
Number 5. The Aromaster Espresso Machine. The Aromaster Espresso Machine is an excellent option for anyone looking for a fast, beginner-friendly espresso machine with modern features. One of its most impressive qualities is the dual-circuit brewing system, which allows users to switch between hot espresso and iced coffee quickly without waiting for cooldown time. This feature is especially useful in households where different coffee styles are enjoyed throughout the day. The 1400-watt heating system warms up rapidly, making morning coffee preparation quick and convenient. Its PID and NTC temperature control technology helps maintain consistent brewing temperatures, improving flavor balance and espresso quality. The 360-degree swivel steam wand creates creamy milk foam for lattes and cappuccinos, while remaining easy to handle for beginners learning milk frothing techniques. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to the removable parts and one-touch descaling function, which helps reduce maintenance effort. Safety features like auto shutoff and dry boil protection add extra peace of mind during daily use. With its durable stainless steel construction and user-friendly design, the Aromaster Espresso Machine delivers reliable performance and enjoyable cafe-style drinks at home. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.